Hi, this video is to demonstrate the refer and earn feature that has been recently added to the Panther platform. So all you need to do is, as an admin, you will have to make several settings by going to the admin dashboard, come to the marketing tab and come to refer and earn. Once you come to the refer and earn window, you will be able to see the configuration details wherein you will have to configure the discounts that you want to give to the referrer as well as the referee. So referrer here refers to the person who is referring the other customers. So the refer and earn feature is currently only and only available for customers to refer each other, and it is not available for experts. Another point to note is that the refer and earn feature or the referrals discount will only be available or only be applicable on scheduled appointments and courses only. So these are the two main things or the two only things in which referral discount can be applied by either of the parties, for it is a referrer or a referee. So referrer, as I told you, is the person who is referring another customer. So as an admin, you can add a discount percentage for the referrer. This is the maximum discount, the amount you can set for the discount, and this is the description you can add for the referrer discount. Now this is the minimum order amount on which the discount can be applicable, for it is the referrer discount or the referee discount. Now we come to the referee discount is the person who has been referred. So for instance, X has referred Y. So X can avail a discount of 10% and Y can avail a discount of 20% on his purchase while booking a consultation or while purchasing a course. So you can also set the maximum referrer discount for the referee as well, and this is a description that you can add. So as and when the discounts will be applicable on the platform, these are the statistics that you can refer to, which will give you all the entries of all the referrals that have taken place on the platform. Now let's switch to the customer end to show you how refer and earn works. So this is I have logged in as a customer. Once I click on the profile logo, I can see the refer and earn feature through which I can directly land to the refer and earn window. You can also, while in your dashboard, you can also click on account, and this is where you will land in the refer and earn feature. So this is the code that I can share with the other person, and he or she can avail this code to get instant discount on the consultation he is trying to book. Now I'll switch to another browser to show you how I can, as another customer, avail the referral discount. So this is an expert through which I'm trying to book an appointment. I'll try and book an appointment. Now as you can see, I have two options here, whether to apply a promo code or to add a referral code. Please note that only either of the two can be added and availed for a discount. So if in case you try to apply a promo code, you will not have the option to add a referral code, and in case you are taking a discount through a referral code, you will not be able to apply a promo code from here. So let me try put this referral code in another customer email. I have the referral code. I added the referral code, and this is how I will be able to avail the discount. So you can see on 966, the referral discount that I have got is $193, which is 20% of the amount. So as you can see, this is the 20% was added from the admin's end. Now I'll proceed to pay. As you can see, the payment is successful and the booking is scheduled. On the other customer's end, wherein you can see, the who was the referrer, you will be able to see currently there are successful referral is 1. So since I have made another payment through another customer, successful referrals will be 2. So as you can see, successful referral is 2 and the discounts left that as a customer I haven't used is still 2. So as a referrer, if I want to make a booking, I can avail a discount from these referrals, which will be 10% as set by the admin. So I'll try and make a booking now. I'll select the slot. So as you can see, I have the option to either use a promo code or use a referral promotion. So if I click on referral promotion, I can see the referral discount of 10% has been availed and the amount payable now is $79. I can proceed to pay. As you can see, the payment is successful. So now if I go to my refer and earn dashboard again, earlier the referral discount that I availed was 2, but now since I have now uh, availed one referral discount, the referral discounts left are only 1. So this is how refer and earn works. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.